Set, ready for racing. Racing just started with the legend. Break quickly to start. U-Bolt is on the outside. Lucky Girl then next on line is Tumultuous. Middle Island. Director Astra comes next. Piece needed. Don't touch the wine while Aliana is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch. We have Lucky Girl battling any hut. U-Bolt is right behind in second. Tumultuous is racing in third. And in fourth comes the legend El Middle Island. Pace needed. This down the inside. Directors Astra comes next. Then followed by Don't Touch the Wine. While Aliana still racing in last. Inside the tres octavo. We have the Lucky Girl battling any hut. U-Bolt remains in second. Tumultuous is on the outside. And here comes Pace needed. Now trying to get closer in third and in fifth. The legend El Middle Island. Don't Touch the Wine. Director Astra and Aliana. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Perano's body right forward. We have Peace needed. Moving up down on the inside. And on the outside is Tumultuous. Last 100 meters. We have Peace needed. Followed by Tumultuous on the outside. Peace needed. Tumultuous is on the outside. But it's still Peace needed. Tumultuous. Then comes U-Bolt. Don't Touch the Wine. Lucky Girl, the legend.
Alright, back-to-back win for the stable of Missionary Stay at Rich Billiard. This time, number 6, Peace Needed. Crossing the wire first. Back-to-back win para kay Renzo Baldo. Then masisibundo nga, number 8, Tumultuous. Then 5, U-Bolt. 9, Don't Touch the Wine. Panoorin natin.